your girl, Where Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell your mama and them, because we lady over here. Without further ado, y'all, if y'all hear Mama Rare in the background, she is on the phone cackling with my aunt. So I'm going to try to speak as loud and legible as possible. So in this video, I purchased some things off of Amazon. I used to be an Amazon head for real, like real bad, but I don't really be like getting anything off of there because I don't be needing anything. If anything, I just be watching the Prime TV and all that other stuff. Yeah, but y'all, TikTok, that's a whole nother new thing I didn't came in contact with, but we'll get to that in another video. Because I actually made a few purchases from TikTok just to see how it was, so yeah. So without further ado, this y'all is Game Boy cartridge cases because y'all know I got a Game Boy Color. If y'all seen the video or if it's not out, but I did get a Game Boy Color, and I had purchased some games from AliExpress and also the Record Exchange. So I just needed a few cartridges. I was gonna buy more, but then I was like, no, because if you buy more, then you're gonna be like, well, I have to fill them up. So I only bought a couple just to have. And then in this box, I think this is just some polish, because I was looking for a particular polish I had purchased from Five Below, but Five Below don't carry it no more. They don't carry that brand no more. So I was trying to find something similar, similar to that polish. So this actually might be the, I think this might be the one. Because the one I was looking for, where is it? I don't even know where it's at. But yeah, this one is cute. It's by Sally Hansen, the Extreme Wear, in the color of Iris Illusion. Because I want to do some Bratz nails or some Y2K nails. So I figured why not get something of that type of shiny base color. So I got that. And then y'all, I'm trying to do more, like, less screen time. Like, I really don't be on my phone for real because my job consists of me of being on the phone and on the computer. So I'm trying to do less screen time when it comes to like watching YouTube or watching movies. So I'm just trying to find stuff to invest, you know, little different accessories and stuff to do. But yeah, so I got these little charms. They're Barbie heads. So when I do the Y2K nails, it'll be something cute. But no, I was saying that because I want to purchase books like just getting back to reading. Even if I don't purchase books, because I've seen or found websites where you can like read books for free. So, you know, I always got my tablet in my bed. Like, y'all, my nana, when I bought her a tablet, all she uses it, like, she's the type, she don't want a TV. She has a TV in her living room, but she don't want a TV in her bedroom, because she's like, that's when, you know, it's time for me to wind down and lay down and all this and that. So my grandma or my nana, she be using her tablet. So that's how I am when I want to wind down, but I still want to watch TV. I turn my TV off, but I turn my tablet on, and child, I be on and popping. But what I was saying is I want to get into doing more activities, more things that's more thought-provoking, that kind of makes me use my brain and stuff like that, like puzzles and stuff, because I don't know if y'all know, but people with MS, it affects your brain. You know, you get brain lesions, you know, brain damage, and you know, you can make yourself susceptible to early on, you know, I'm not speaking this over myself or anybody else, but you know, prone to like, you know, dementia, Alzheimer's, because you know how intensive, you know, the lesions can be, or it can make you have memory loss and things like that. And I already suffer from memory loss slightly because of the damage it has done. Because if you don't know, there's no cure for MS. So it's just like sometimes I fumble over my words. I can be in mid-sentence and forget what I'm saying. Sometimes I talk fast, but I've always talked fast, but sometimes I just have to get my thoughts together, because like my thoughts be going like this and I be trying to talk like this and I be stumbling. So I just want to, you know, do stuff that's more thought-provoking, like playing puzzles. Even when I'm on my tablet, I play puzzles, like memory games and stuff like that. It's just good to, even if you don't have any type of health issues, it's good to keep your mind sharp, because it's just good to keep your mind sharp. You know, your brain and your heart is what keep your body going. Because you could be, well, we're not going to get off into that. But basically, your brain and your heart keeps everything going. So you want to keep your mind sharp. So I feel like the earlier the better to start that. It's not a particular, age that you have to start it, to, just doing little things to keep your brain going. So I seen this. Of course, I liked it because it's purple. But I seen this. I was like, I wanted to get a book that has positive affirmations. Yes, it says positive affirmation for Black women. Why? Because I'm Black. Nothing personal against nobody. But it's just like, sometimes people want, affirmations based upon their ethnicity, based upon their culture. So, if you're not Black, whatever your ethnicity is, or your background is, or your culture, go on Amazon, type in positive affirmations, and type in what you want, to be, whether it's cultural based, ethnicity based, job related, based on love, based on self-hurt, based on healing. It's just good to have positive self affirmations. They even have apps where, like I have my Bible app, like at 7 p.m. each day I get a Bible verse. That's when I need it the most because I'm still on the clock, still winding down. But it's just sometimes you need that food for thought. So I'm going to download a positive affirmation app just so I can have, along with my Bible verse, I can have an affirmation that comes through my phone just so I can look at it and just remind myself to speak positivity into myself. Some days, you might have days when you have like self-doubt, or you going through some troubles, or, you're trying to separate your work from your personal and stuff like that. Sometimes you just need positive influence. So I'm just trying to get into a new year, new me, and speak positivity. I'm not trying to, if I get a not too good grade, be down on myself, or sometimes I feel like I'm not where I'm supposed to be in life because of my health. I feel like I could be so much further because of my health, or because of, just certain cards I was dealt with that, you can't handle it, what cards you were dealt. You just dealt what you're dealt, and you just play out the game how you can play it. But anyway, I got positive affirmations. I don't want to show the inside of the book because I don't want to get copyright or anything like that. But here goes some positive affirmations on the back of the book. It says, "Strength and roots, power and wings, Afro-American women. Together we are invincible." Stuff like that. I'm proud of my cultural identity and the traditions that have been passed down to me. I am deserving of love and acceptance both for myself and others. I am a trailblazer, breaking barriers and paving the way for future generations. I am grateful for the lessons I have learned along my journey, as they have made me stronger and wiser. I am surrounded by abundance and prosperity in all areas of my life. I am empowered to make a positive impact on the world and create change. I am worthy of forgiveness, healing, and inner peace. I am committed to living a life that aligns with my values and purpose. I am capable of turning my challenges into opportunities for growth and transformation. I am proud of my individuality and the unique growth I bring to the world. So it's just like stuff like that. And it says it's 450 personal growth messages. So, speak life into yourself. And then y'all know I love me a good old horror. So I got this Freak of Horror puzzle book. It has word searches, word scrambles, trivia, and more. Once again, I don't want to get copyrighted for anything or want people to think I'm trying to share anything. But yeah, it just got like different type of crossword puzzles, word scrambles, trivia, just little stuff like that. But it's based upon horror. So as you can see, we got Michael Myers, we got Jason, we got Freddy, and we got Chucky. So I thought this was so cute. This is by Dylan Walker. And this book is by, it doesn't say. Let me see. Hold on. It don't say. Hold on. Let me see. It don't say, but yeah. Positive affirmations for Black women. Freak of Horror puzzle books. Everything in this video was purchased from Amazon. I'm going to try to link everything down below. But y'all, male, female, non-binary, whatever you identify as, or even if you don't identify as anything, speak positivity into your life. Find books or material that's aligned with what you're trying to do. Hold on, it's blurry. Of what you're trying to do with your journey, or how you're trying to level up. I got, let me see what else I got coming up. I think I ordered some books from TikTok. Y'all, I want to do a vision board, but they have a vision book. As soon as they come, y'all know I'm going to show y'all. I think I ordered 1 or 2 books from TikTok shop, I think. And then they got like influencer books. I was thinking about investing in that. I don't know, I might, and just let y'all know. But any reading material or anything I come across, I would definitely let y'all know, because I'm not a what? I'm not a gatekeeper. But yeah, y'all, let's just start feeding life and positivity in ourselves. Even if you don't like to read books, get you an audiobook. Like, I think I'm gonna start doing that, just listening to books. You know, maybe if you're cleaning up, cooking dinner for your family, or using the bathroom, or in the shower, or just laying down before you go to sleep, you know, listen to an audiobook, or, you know, whatever the case may be, just speak positivity to your life, and you know, get that knowledge in, and just, you know, find something to make you happy. So that's my personal goal for this year. I want to, I guess, I want to influence myself and inspire myself to do more, think outside of the box. I'll be like, oh, I don't want to read no books, because, you know, I'll be reading books for school. But I'm going to set a time, you know, time aside to read my own personal books outside of my school books. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, this miniature haul from Amazon, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.